Grab a pen and a big book.
Caliper what?
It's been welded at the subframe mount that the file's fixed. The file's better welded than that. There's a top like that. That's good. That. Yeah. The steel knob on the rack. Yeah, we get through the front of your brake pipes. So this thing back around. Near side complete out of solid. Complete out of soles. Probably. Both front and the wheel lights hanging. Driver's front state. Isn't connected to the motor anymore. There's another bit.
What's that?
That's the state. The driver's state. Driver's inner sill is all knackered. There's that. So it's pretty severe welding that. I'll need to drop it down there and check the structurals, because this is where we're going up with these steps, right up to the back of these chassis wheels, basically the bits that you watch out for if your marker there gets quite knackered. That spring sheared off got to get up. Obviously, so also we can weld that up here. That's where I welded the last one, there. But this one needs a whole step. And inside. Here's me coming to the inside into the eat. So, very bad. Very bad. That's what happens in Scotland, man. Crustacean. So we come under here to check. These are known for structures and stuff like that, needing welding. It's quite clean in there, done it? Not bad. Who done that? What on earth was the point of that? So can you see that? Oh, that bit's solid, eh? But what about all that? So I'm not too sure what the hell that's for and what they have wasted their time for. I mean, what are they welding it with? Oh, aye, it's quality stuff there, man. Quality stuff. I mean, that big bit of rock there. The big bit behind it. I suppose that air's still working. So you can see it all down there as well. And that chassis wheel. Oh, aye. I can't see in there if I strip them all off, but I bet it's. Aye, that's pretty rotten down there. Pretty rotten in there, guys, as well, isn't it? I bet I could poke a hole straight through that. So, aye, well, just a wee bit of welding required. There's a wee hole in there. That's unknackered. Alright. Jesus. That'll be all gone. That'll be gone too. That'll be gone. We'd need to do that out bigger. We'd need to do the step. We need to fix that. That's not very good. Whoever did that, almost knew Fergie. We need to fix all of that. Both anti-wheel bar links are pumped. Steering arms, I think. Tractor ends get playing at that side. No idea why that wheel's sitting all cocked over. This side, the sill. It's not as bad as that. Well, it's fucking rotten. So if I can poke my finger for it, the welder's just going to blow it to bits. So nice wee vent there, at least. Wiring, breaky pipes being done, and the shocker's porous. Spring, no idea how that's still attached to that motor. Broken here, but also broken there. It's just the shocker that's holding it there. So we'll drop it in there. We'll check the between the step and up to the structures, because they're where if it's gone there, it's good night for us for I'm afraid. Because it's just not worth fixing if it's going to be rotten in there as well. The judgment call on this 09 plate transit, I think, to see whether this is for the bin.